You know, last week Thursday I watched something and I was disgusted when somebody was asked a question that wanted a yes or a no. Yes or a no. Akena hlathi, hlahlathela. Ngena entsimini. Bengena luthi intsimi yakhona. Tswile fela tle direta tswa ka mo because somebody wanted to sound right and get the favor of somebody. If that be the case, you're not a true journalist. If you're a true journalist, you stand your ground in what you believe in. A journalist doesn't want to be loved. That's why sometimes journalists are being protected because their work is so dangerous that sometimes they would offend people and they might get killed. But sometimes the truth needs to be laid bare for the world to see. That's why you have journalists.